So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an S3 bucket that will allow public files to be accessible. So let's get into it. I made a video a couple months back about doing this, but Amazon updated their UI a little bit. So I figured I'd make an update video showing how to do public file upload with the new UI. So let's go and create a bucket. So you could go ahead and give it any name you want. The default settings are fine for this. You can go to next. So here's where Amazon changed their UI. So what you want to do is you want to uncheck block all public access. And the first two we actually want. So we want objects to be accessed publicly. So you want to check the third and the fourth checkbox. So essentially this is allowing you to have access control lists which allow publicly accessible files to be accessed. So we can hit next. So you want to make sure permissions say off, 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 and then on for the last two. So go ahead and create the bucket. And then now your bucket's set up and you can go and click upload. So I'm just uploading a test file. And now on this screen where it says manage public permissions, you want to set grant public read access to the object. So this makes it accessible to everyone in the world, which is what we want. So click next. Standard is fine, and go ahead and hit upload. And there you go. And then you could click here for the object URL, and that'll be your publicly available object. And there it is. This is just a thumbnail. Test image. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this.